Hey, it's TJ. I just wanted to show you a neat little trick I found in Affinity Photo about how to make gradients. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to go and view a gradient that you found somewhere, or pick colors from a nice looking photo and make lovely gradients out of them. So I actually got the idea for this from the Affinity forums. Let's just go there real quick. And I saw this post by Ivan Nozzo. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. And they shared this link to a website where you can find loads of color ramps that you can use easily with Affinity software. And when you go there, there's a big list of resources here. And if you click on them, you'll find all of these amazing color ramps and gradients from various different people. So I would like to get some of these in Affinity Photo so that I can use them on text effects, backgrounds, all kinds of different things. So browse through them, find one that you like, and then open up the image, go and copy the image, hop into Affinity Photo, go and paste the image, and then go to Layer, New Fill Layer. It doesn't really matter what color this happens to be because we're going to change it. And then I'm going to use the gradient tool to drag across. Now, this is using the colors from something that I previously used, but I want them to be the colors from here. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to start copying the colors from below. So I've clicked on the color here, and then I'm going to click and drag from the eyedropper and bring it over here, and you can see that it's got the zoomed in view so you get pixel accuracy. And I'm going to click the very last one and then let go. And then if I just click that, this node will change to the correct color. Similarly, if I click on the last one and click on the color, hold down and click and bring it over to select the last color and select it, it'll do that. Now, as you can see, there's many more colors within this gradient. So if I just add more, I can click along the line and add a few more colors to try and match as closely as I can to this thing. So let's just speed things through and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so this is looking pretty close to what I have in the image, but the ratios aren't quite right and I want to adjust them. So in order to do that, I can select on here and just drag the slider to adjust how far along color is coming. And that really means that I can fine tune things. Now the white area looks like it's much wider. So if I select this white one and then click again right next to it, it'll copy that color. It's not going to be exact, so I might just try and grab it again to make sure that it is pure white, and then just increase this selection so that it looks similar. And then once I'm happy with this gradient, I can right click on it and add it to swatches from fill. And then you'll notice that it's ended up over here in my gradients. So if I ever want to change a gradient, let's say I have a square or a shape and it's filled with a particular gradient, I can change that gradient to however I like. And if I want to change it a different direction, I can. I can choose how long I would like it to be. And yeah, I thought this was really neat. So hopefully this helps. And yeah, see you next time.